Hello and welcome to Foldable Flight. In this video I'll be teaching you some origami basics, specifically how to fold the Waterbomb base. Now you should know a base is just a beginning sequence of folds for an origami model that is shared between many models. And the Waterbomb base is common to a lot of paper airplanes. So we're just going to begin by folding this edge to this edge and folding the paper in half. Now this isn't actually mandatory for performing the Waterbomb base, but most paper airplanes want this crease later anyways, and this is a convenient time to make it. I'll open that back up. And now I want to take this top edge and fold it to my left edge here. And when I do that, my crease should go right through that top left corner. And I'll unfold that. And now I want to take the top edge to the right edge here. And again, my crease should go right through that top right corner. And now I will flip the paper over. And I want to fold this top section, the top edge of the paper down, so that the crease I make goes right through this intersection of the two diagonals. So I will pull this down, and I want to make sure that I land the center crease on this layer on top of the center crease on the bottom layer. And then I want to begin my crease up here, right where this diagonal intersects this diagonal. Like so. And then I will unfold the paper and flip it over. And you can see the paper wants to lie like this, but I'm just going to poke it in the middle and the edges will pop in. And now we can just pull each edge in on that existing crease and then collapse this top section like so. And it's that easy. That is the Waterbomb base. If you're interested in folding some paper airplanes that incorporate the Waterbomb base, I have two examples here for you. The first is called Stratus, and it's a nice hybrid between a glider and a dart. So it has a really nice glide ratio because of its wide wings, but the wings are also very strong, so you can throw it really hard like a dart. And if we flip it over, you can see it has these nice fins as well, and those give it some good directional stability. And then here I have Silex Drone, which just has kind of a peculiar look to it. You can see how the wings flank down like that. And it has a really nice glide ratio because of this large wing surface. I hope you found this video informative. If you're interested in folding either of these planes, I will leave a link in the description below. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome paper airplane content by clicking on my channel icon in the top right corner. Or check out another cool video. And if you really like what I do, head to foldableflight.com or patreon.com/foldableflight. And as always, thank you for watching.